The first indicator we want to use is Trend Magic. You can add it to your chart from the indicators section of the trading website. Trend Magic will be like the main indicator for this strategy. We'll also use two other free indicators to confirm the signal. Once the indicator appears on the chart, you need to go to its settings and change the color from the style section like in the video. Then in the inputs, set CCI period to 27, ATR multiplier to 2, and ATR period to 5. Now, after optimizing Trend Magic indicator, when the color of the indicator line switches from green to red, that's the first signal of a short-term trend change to a downward trend. And likewise, when the color of the indicator line switches from red to green, that's the first signal of the start of an upward short-term trend. So, when the color of its line switches from green to red, it actually means a sell signal has been issued. And the exact opposite applies for buy signals. When the indicator color switches from red to green, meaning a buy signal has been issued. Alright, first we need to add the AO indicator or awesome oscillator to our chart. This indicator will help us identify signals that lack sufficient strength. Before using it though, we gotta make some adjustments. So in the AO settings, change the color to red and green and set the display mode to area. Green will confirm buy signals and red will confirm sell signal. So, when a buy signal occurs, AO needs to be green to confirm it. And similarly, when a sell signal from Trend Magic happens, AO needs to be red to confirm that sell signal. Next, we gotta search for a 10-in-1 different moving averages indicator and add it to remove signals going against the trend from the strategy. Then we gotta set the period, change the method to SMA and set the period to 145. Then you can choose the indicator color. From the style section, you can also adjust the line thickness in addition to the color. Now that we have optimized the indicator, we can more accurately identify the long-term trend. So now, when the price is above the moving, only bullish trades are allowed. And when the price is below the moving, only bearish trades are allowed. So with these free and optimized indicators, we gotta determine the entry rules. First, let's go over the rules for short trades. Step 1. The color of the Trend Magic indicator line needs to switch from green to red. Then a bearish candle needs to close below the Trend Magic line. Step 2. Make sure the signal candle is also below the 145 period moving average line, so our trade is in the direction of the trend. Lastly, AO needs to be red to confirm the sell signal. Now you can enter a short trade at the close of the signal candle once the signal is validated. After that, you need to manage risk by setting a stop loss. So place the stop loss above the recent swing high. Finally, when the trade is profitable, close it at a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. And here are the rules for long trades. Step 1. The color of the Trend Magic indicator line needs to switch from red to green. Then a bullish candle needs to close above the Trend Magic line. Step 2. Make sure the signal candle is also above the 145 period moving average line, so our trade is in the direction of the trend. Lastly, AO needs to be green to confirm the buy signal. Now you can enter a long trade at the close of the signal candle once the signal is validated. After that, you need to manage risk by setting a stop loss. So place the stop loss below the recent swing low. Finally, when the trade is profitable, close it at a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. But ultimately, if you need a strategy for consistent profits, you absolutely cannot miss this recommended video.